Hello guys, how are you? So today I'm going to talk about the some challenges into the generative AI era. Nowadays everyone, even if it's mechanical industry, even it's civil industry, chemical industry, healthcare industry, finance industry, and as well as in the IT industry, everyone is talking related to the generative AI, agentic AI. They want to learn the machine learning, natural language processing. They want to find to this some LLM models. They want to create their RAG systems and all those things. But friends, whatever progress they are making, but they are actually sticking at one particular point. Means they are not going to improve results beyond this specific point. Means actually what happens, initially just LLM has been came like GPT-3 models, or before that then GPT 3.5, then a lot of viral trend was going on, so everyone was started utilizing him. So nowadays GPT 5, 5.2 reasoning models, thinking models, there is a lot of competitions going on in other models also, like Gemini, Google's, then AWS models, crop models, and so many. But they are stucking, or they are actually struggling at the one specific point. So whenever actually they want to make the question answering related to the exact data, or whenever user start asking the minute detail type of questions, or whenever the questions are the complicated, then definitely they are still failing, because there are so many challenges, like whatever may be great system you are making, or whatever may be great agentic AI systems you are creating, still at the end they are struggling with the some issues, and those are the common issues like hallucinations. Sometimes LLM model is trying to create or generate some random answers. Then even though LLM models are the smart, they are working very well, but we are struggling actually at one point, and that point is like how we are passing or giving the context to the LLM models. If the context is failing, if we are not providing the right context, then automatically LLM will try to just give the answers based upon that given bad context, or the inappropriate content, or the less context, and it will try to generate the answer. So just by providing the right prompts or few short examples, it will not going to solve the problems. Even if you are utilizing the vector store, semantic search, keyword search, and so many things, still you will going to face the issues, like if user is uploading the billions or millions number of pages of documents, and if user's question is linked to the one page, then 1000 page, then 80,000 page, then it's not possible to retrieve that information. So to avoid that issue, nowadays GraphDB has been came, and within that GraphDB actually we are parsing the some edges, nodes, or the key entities, and we are storing those into the specific graph database. But it will also going to fail there. It will not going to solve your 100% problems, even not 95%, because how you are creating the graph entities. If, let's say if there is one specific documents, finance documents or healthcare documents, and it has millions or thousands number of entities, there are thousands numbers of relationships and so many things, and it's tough to extract all those entities with just those LLM models, or it's very difficult to maintain that pipeline to retrieve the specific exact results based upon user queries from the GraphDB or from that vector stores. But as compared to the traditional one, those are means improved a lot much, and they are giving the right one results, but still we need some improvements. Even though we are utilizing agentic AI approach, where one agent will try to analyze the user's queries, and based upon that user query it will either ship that query with semantic search or GraphDB, or it will utilize both of them. But still we are struggling to pass the context from documents, and even if we are passing the context from documents, we are struggling to create the better chunks. We still need more improve the embeddings models. We still need the best reasoning LLM models, and we still need the best GraphDBs and other approaches. Once we solve the systems, like how we can pass the you know context to the LLM models, then definitely it will try to solve the problems of that RAG or advanced RAG, hallucinations, agentic RAGs. And another most important challenges industries are facing, let's say if you are build any enterprise RAG agents or agentic RAG systems and all those, they are struggling with the evaluation part. Now there will so many people will come and they will say like, oh, we have utilized the open ragas frameworks or deep evaluation libraries, or we have kept the LLM as a judge, and we have created a golden data sets, and based upon that we are trying to evaluate users responses queries. But to create that golden data sets, even you are keeping the LLM as a judge or critic agent, still it's we are giving that power to the LLM models, and we need to create that golden data sets from human side. you know and even if you are utilizing some LLM model to create the golden data sets, then you have once again need to evaluate them through the human side. So at the end, there is human side is coming into the place, and evaluation of those models, rags or whatever pipelines you are building, if it's at the very minute level and if you want the very good accuracy, then it's very tough nowadays. And some research is going on that everyone is trying to solve that business use cases. There are a lot of articles coming on, research papers are coming on, so many people are showing, giving tutorials, but those are just a little bit accurate, or means they are just trying to close that gap. But if you want the real results, then still there are a lot of scopes to make improvement into that area. Also, another challenge is like nowadays, so many people are building RAG system or agentic RAGs, and it's just related to few hundred or thousands pages of PDF files. But if you want to build, it's related to million number of pages or documents, how you can improve it, how you can get the right one results, and all those things. Still, those are also the challenges. So, most important challenges are how you are parsing the context from documents, and how well you are creating the chunks embeddings, or how well you are storing those to this particular GraphDB as well as the semantic vector stores, and how well you are retrieving those documents based upon that user query, and you are passing to the AI model. So one is the retrieving part, and second one is the parsing part. So those are the most challenging part related to the LLM systems. And third one is like evaluation, real-time evaluation without utilizing human interference there. So those are the most challenges, and those will not going to solve easily. And but improvements are going on there. And nowadays, after months, 2 months or 6 months, new tools are coming, new libraries are coming, new resources are coming, and suddenly companies are going towards those products. There are so many companies where they have started because of generative AI, they have started their service and all those, but suddenly they have need to stop they need to wrap up their all those uh, company and resources, because if they are not going to come with the latest trends or technology, definitely they will going to fail. And AI market is now blooming every day, every month, every week. They are coming with the better technologies, tools, libraries, solutions. So we have need to be update. We have need to be update for that, and need to learn all the skills. So, friends, what you are thinking related to those problems or concepts, please try to give comments, or also try to correct me if I have made any wrong guesses or something. And also, please share your opinion there. So, thank you. Bye bye.